scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up.
Cylinders can be tricky, but we will solve this volume rate problem fast. Let us differentiate the formula and find the answer together right now. First, we need to find the derivative of the volume with respect to time. Since the radius is changing, we must apply the product rule to this complex cylinder volume equation. Next, we use the chain rule for that sine term inside the parentheses. Multiply the derivative of the radius by the rate of change to keep everything perfectly in sync here. Finally, substitute 2.7 for the radius and 0.75 for the rate. Calculating these values leads directly to the correct answer, option B. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check steps carefully.